Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today here at Give Good Face, we delve into chronic eczema, also known as atopic dermatitis. It is a persistent skin condition that can cause discomfort, itching, and inflammation. While there are various treatments available, natural remedies like black currant seed oil and oatmeal colloid have gained attention for their quick and lasting curative effects. Here, we explore how these two ingredients work and provide practical tips for maintaining healthy skin. Black currant seed oil, nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Black currant seed oil, derived from the seeds of the black currant plant, is rich in gamma-linolenic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic eczema often involves an imbalance in skin's fatty acids, leading to dryness, irritation, and inflammation. GLA helps to restore this balance by 1. Reducing inflammation. GLA is converted into prostaglandins, compounds that reduce inflammation and alleviate redness and swelling. 2. Enhancing skin barrier function. Black currant seed oil improves the skin's ability to retain moisture, reducing the dryness associated with eczema. And 3. Soothing itching. The oil's nourishing properties help calm the skin and reduce itching, a primary symptom of eczema. To use black currant seed oil, you can take it as an oral supplement or apply it topically. For topical use, mix a few drops of the oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, and gently massage it onto the affected areas. Oatmeal colloid, a soothing skin protector. You know, oatmeal colloid, made from finely ground oats, is a long-standing remedy for various skin conditions, including eczema. Its efficacy lies in its unique composition, which includes beta-glucans, antioxidants, and lipids. These components work synergistically to 1. Calm irritation. Oatmeal colloid forms a protective barrier on the skin, shielding it from irritants and reducing inflammation. 2. Restore moisture. Its humectant properties draw water into the skin, combating dryness. 3. Relieve itching. Oatmeal contains compounds that soothe itchiness, providing immediate relief for eczema sufferers. To incorporate oatmeal colloid into your routine, add it to a lukewarm bath, or use creams and lotions that list it as an active ingredient. Avoid hot water, as it can exacerbate eczema symptoms. Tips for getting and keeping healthy skin. While black currant seed oil and oatmeal colloid can be highly effective, maintaining healthy skin requires a holistic approach. Here are some additional tips. 1. Hydrate inside and out. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Use a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer to lock in moisture after bathing. 2. Avoid triggers. Common eczema triggers include harsh soaps, synthetic fabrics, and allergens. Opt for hypoallergenic products and wear breathable, natural fabrics like cotton. 3. Follow a skin-friendly diet. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and walnuts, and antioxidants such as berries and spinach can support skin health and reduce inflammation. 4. Use gentle cleansers. Choose soap-free or low pH cleansers to avoid stripping the skin of its natural oils. 5. Manage stress. Stress can exacerbate eczema. Practice relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing to keep flare-ups at bay. 6. Consult a dermatologist. If your eczema persists or worsens, consult a dermatologist for personalized treatment options. They may recommend combining natural remedies with medical interventions for optimal results. Black currant seed oil and oatmeal colloid are powerful natural remedies that can provide quick and lasting relief for chronic eczema. By reducing inflammation, soothing irritation, and restoring moisture, these ingredients address the root causes of the condition. Coupled with a healthy lifestyle and proper skincare, they can significantly improve your skin's health and quality of life. Whether you're seeking immediate relief or long-term management, These natural solutions offer a gentle yet effective path to healthier skin. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips to get and keep healthy skin. We look forward to your next visit here at Give Good Face.